Look over there!
They're mangroves!
I wonder how they help our ecosystem. Let's find out. Mangroves, or Azorfa mangle, are fantastic trees.
They are coastal trees that can survive almost any condition.
They also have a big impact on our ecosystem.
Firstly, they provide marine animals with a habitat. Their big branches provide shelter to monkeys, birds, and insects, while their roots provide a hiding place for creatures escaping from predators.
Mangrove roots not only clean and filter the water, but they also support the sand and mud, which thereby prevents erosion.
We conducted a series of experiments to see how much of an impact mangroves really have.
We found that the water that had been filtered by mangroves has an average salinity of 90 parts per thousand, and the pH level was slightly more acidic than tap water. This water had a turbidity level of 10 NTUs.
Mangroves are an integral part of our ecosystem and simply cannot afford to be lost. Unfortunately, they face three big threats.
Mangroves are being lost due to shrimp farming. 35% of all mangroves have been lost as shrimp pools are replacing our beautiful mangrove forests.
As the sea levels rise, the buildup of mud which mangroves rely upon is not happening fast enough. This results in higher tides than expected.
Many invasive species are being introduced into the mangrove habitat. For example, a marsh grass was introduced to China in 1979 to prevent coastal erosion, but it took over the mangrove habitat and destroyed the ecosystem.
So how can we help? You can join your local cleanup to remove plastic from our waterways.
Don't use single-use plastic and use reusable ones instead.
And plant native species instead of invasive ones to help save the mangrove.
Wow, mangroves really do have a big impact on our ecosystem.
Yeah, but for now, let's just enjoy the sunshine.